What if I made a short manga every week? A mere 4 to 5 pages should be manageable. So yeah, I'm making a collection of extremely short manga, and this is the first of however many I'll be making. I call this one Music at Work version 1. I got the idea for this when the new Eminem album came out. Personally, I think it goes hard as fuck. The initial storyboards and character designs are on my Patreon, but in the last video I introduced these two characters, Summer and Brenner. They both work at a cafe at the tallest skyscraper in Alice called Babylon. Don't worry about any of those names, they're just locations in my soon to be created manga NIWA. So what's with the short manga? I released my first one-shot NIWA 0.0 a few months ago. Shouldn't I be working on my next one? I'll talk about the next one, NIWA 0.1, in the next video. But as for the short manga, they're just an experiment. They're short enough that I can try out different things and experiment in different ways. I made a video going over my weaknesses with making manga, and I've been slowly working at improving my craft, and through this little short manga, I'll be able to put in practice what I'm learning. You can read Music at Work on my Twitter. It's just 4 pages.